As soon as I realized how powerful Notion is for unlocking my potential, I couldn't wait to share these ideas with you. You've probably noticed that navigating financial markets demands a whole set of skills, from sticking to a trading strategy, staying focused, managing risk, and keeping emotions under control. And that's just the beginning of what can make or break our success. So here are 18 tips to help turn your trading journal into a real gem. First, create a knowledge base where you record all your market insights. Add your trading setups along with images or screenshots to show how they work. Don't try to keep everything in your head or clutter your desktop with random screenshots. Capture all your ideas and things you want to test. Next, track every trade so you know what works and what doesn't. This helps reduce random trades and turns trading from chaotic gambling into a more mindful, profitable pursuit. Use filters to analyze trades over specific time periods like the current month or the last 30 days so you can better understand your growth dynamics. Another tip, keep a chart of your trading results. It's a powerful tool for motivation and clarity. Display all your trades for the past 30 days so every time you look at it, you see how your efforts translate into real results. Fourth tip, simplify market monitoring by displaying your main trading pairs prominently. Personally, I use TradingView widgets for this. It cuts down on open browser tabs and saves you from constantly refreshing charts. Depending on your trading style, add widgets to your desktop that make your work smoother. For example, if you trade Forex, having a widget for market hours or a position size calculator can be really helpful. For investors, a portfolio performance chart might be ideal. There are tons of widgets out there. Choose the ones that give you quick access to the most important info for you. Tip number 6. Because market movements often depend on global events, add reliable news feeds to your dashboard. Pick sources you trust so you can quickly react to news relevant to your trading decisions. This helps you avoid information overload and unnecessary stress. Impulsiveness and inconsistency are big enemies in trading. To fight them, create a checklist for steps before every trade, or list out the points of your trading strategy. Most importantly, stick to this plan. It might seem simple, but it's crucial. A checklist keeps you disciplined, helps avoid impulsive decisions, and improves your results. Before investing money in any new strategy, run backtests. Create a separate table for testing. Backtesting lets you check how a strategy would perform in conditions close to real markets, but without risking your capital. Keeping separate records for backtests helps you clearly distinguish test data from your actual trading results, which is crucial for objectively adjusting your strategies. Ninth tip, keep stats for each trading setup. This helps you figure out which setups are profitable and which ones you might want to drop. Tracking how profitable each setup is not only makes you more efficient, but can also make trading more interesting. For example, I added grouping by confirmation type to get detailed stats. Create an organized system for your notes to avoid clutter and free up mental space. Split notes into folders or categories. It makes finding information easier and brings a sense of satisfaction from keeping things tidy. This approach helps you focus on what's important without getting lost in a sea of info. Set clear and specific goals for your trading or investment activities. Short, medium, and long-term, like 5 years out. Break these big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Use planning tools like Notion to keep track of your progress in a structured way. 12th tip, when you read books and come across valuable ideas, make sure to write them down. I've found that simply highlighting text in books isn't as effective. Going back to reread highlights can be tedious. Instead, I add interesting ideas straight into Notion. This way, they're all in one place and organized the way I want. It makes it much easier to review and apply what I've learned. Gather data from all your trading accounts into one table. It makes tracking and analyzing results much smoother. Set goals as checkpoints and watch your progress. This helps keep you on track and avoid burnout. Record your thoughts, analysis, and emotional state during each trade. This doesn't just help you analyze your results, but also lets you spot connections between your mindset and your outcomes over time. This kind of journal is a powerful tool for improving your skills and strategies. For a more systematic approach to trading, consider using a habit tracker. It helps keep you disciplined and ensures you complete your daily tasks. You can also turn it into a checklist for managing your trading day so you don't miss any crucial steps. To make analysis even easier, organize your data by weeks, months, or years. This helps you quickly see trends and figure out which periods were most successful or where you might need to adjust. Grouping data this way gives you a deeper understanding of your trading activity. In Notion, I organize my trading tasks by categorizing them and connecting them to goals. This makes everything easier to manage and boosts efficiency. Using the calendar lets you set specific times for tasks and get reminders, so you never forget important things. And the final tip? Notion's powerful features let you keep everything important right where you need it and simplify your workflows. For example, add quick buttons for convenience, sync blocks and tables for better organization, tweak settings with a few clicks, and use sorts and filters for fast access to what you need. There's honestly so much you can do. I could talk about it for hours. If you're already using Notion or thinking about getting started, check out the description below. You'll find a link to the template I used in this video. It'll help you get up to speed fast and start using all of Notion's features efficiently. I'd be super happy if this video helps you and inspires a more mindful approach to trading. If you don't mind, please give it a like and leave a comment. It really keeps me motivated to keep creating content for this channel.